Hello friends, how are you all? Today I'm going to show you a very easy recipe, so let's get started. First take some vegetable ghee in a bowl. Melt it gently using a spoon. Now add 1.5 cups of flour. Mix the two ingredients well until they form small crumbs. In another cup, mix water, salt, sugar and yeast. Pour the mixture into the flour and knead to make a soft dough. My dough is ready. Now cut the dough into 6 equal parts using a knife. Roll each pieces into thin flat burrs. The flatbreads are ready. Now spread butter on each one with a spoon. Stack them one on top of another. All my flatbreads are buttered. Now roll them out together once again. Cut the edges neatly with a pizza cutter. Then slice it into 2 halves and cut into thin strips. Twist the strips like small ropes. All my twist strips are ready. Now heat oil in a pan for frying. Once the oil is hot, fry them until golden brown. Crispy golden twists are ready to serve. Just look at it. Not only beautiful but perfectly crispy too. Crispy butter and bursting with flavor. This one's pure perfection.